Moving into a new home or updating your bedroom can be daunting, but we're here to help. Our essential checklist simplifies the process, ensuring you gather everything needed to create your ideal sleep space. As you check off items, you can reduce the stress of designing a personal sanctuary that reflects your style and fosters relaxation. From bed frames and comforters to nightstands and rugs, we have carefully curated these selections to guarantee quality and affordability. Check out our top recommendations. All product links are provided in the description. Number 15. GPED INC Lighting. This dimmable table lamp is a perfect way to create a soft, welcoming glow in your bedroom without the harshness of an overhead light. Designed to be as practical as it is stylish, it features dual USB charging ports, 2 phone stands, and 2 additional charging outlets. This means you can charge multiple devices overnight without needing extra cords or outlets. It's a sleek, neutral choice that works well with any decor and adds a modern touch to your space. Number 14. Lifewit Drawer Organizer. Add instant organization to your drawers with the Lifewit Drawer Organizer, a smart solution to keep all your items tidy and easy to locate. Perfect for clothing, accessories, or office supplies, these organizers allow you to neatly arrange items like socks, t-shirts, and other essentials. They come in multiple sizes, so they can fit comfortably in most drawers, making them versatile for any room. Designed for durability, these organizers are crafted from high-quality materials that keep them sturdy even after frequent use. Number 13. Beautypeak Full-Length Mirror. This full-length mirror is more than just functional. It adds a modern, stylish touch to any room with its elegant arch design. Measuring generously to capture a full-body reflection, it's ideal for checking your outfits before heading out or for snapping photos. The mirror's gold-rimmed frame adds a pop of sophistication, making it a statement piece that complements most interior styles. Its versatile setup options let you lean it against a wall, mount it for added stability, or use the stand to place it wherever it suits you best. Number 12. Simple Houseware Laundry Hamper. The Simple Houseware Laundry Hamper combines convenience with functionality, helping you keep dirty laundry out of sight and your room looking tidy. It features 2 separate compartments, allowing you to sort lights and darks as you go. Each compartment comes with removable mesh bags that make it easy to carry clothes to the laundry room without hassle. Made from durable materials, the hamper is designed to withstand everyday use while still looking stylish and compact in any room. Number 11. Budding Joy Under the Bed Storage. Take advantage of unused space under your bed with Budding Joy storage containers, designed to keep seasonal items, extra bedding, or out-of-season clothing organized and dust-free. Each container is crafted from thick, high-quality fabric and features a clear PVC window on top, making it easy to see what's inside without needing to open it. Sturdy handles on both sides allow for easy maneuvering, even when fully packed, and a secure zipper closure ensures that your belongings stay protected from dust and other elements. Number 10. LUCKNOCK Nightstands. This set of LUCKNOCK Nightstands adds both style and functionality to your bedroom. Each nightstand is crafted to fit seamlessly next to your bed, providing a surface for lamps, books, and nighttime essentials, along with a convenient drawer for added storage. With a choice of white or walnut finishes, each nightstand also includes a light gray fabric drawer that complements a variety of bedroom decor styles. Ideal for those on a budget, these nightstands offer an affordable solution for enhancing room organization without sacrificing style. Number 9. RUGGABLE Rug. RUGGABLE rugs are perfect for adding style and comfort to any room, with the added benefit of being machine washable, making them a convenient choice for busy households. Each rug set comes with a non-slip pad and a removable, lightweight top layer that attaches securely, making it easy to clean when needed. The rugs are available in a variety of sizes, shapes, and patterns, allowing you to customize your space with a look that suits your style. Their durability and ease of maintenance make them especially appealing for homes with pets or high-traffic areas. Number 8. Mainstays Dresser. Mainstays Dresser is a stylish and affordable solution for organizing your clothes while adding a modern touch to your bedroom. Its simple design is available in finishes like black, dark walnut, Euro oak, and white, allowing you to choose the best match for your decor. Offering configurations with 4 or 5 drawers, this dresser is versatile and suitable for various storage needs, from everyday clothing to accessories. Its easy assembly makes it a convenient choice, and the durable construction ensures it holds up over time. Number 7. Jolt Alarm Clock. Waking up to a missed phone alarm can be frustrating, especially when you have important plans. A dedicated alarm clock alleviates the stress of rushing to get ready for work after oversleeping. This stylish, minimalist clock lets you set up to 3 different alarms, making it easy to wake up at varying times throughout the week. Its adjustable brightness feature allows you to customize the display to your preferred level of illumination. This compact clock doesn't take up much space on your nightstand, while its large, clear digits ensure easy readability. Number 6. Honeywell QuietSet Tower Fan. Designed to cool large spaces efficiently, the Honeywell QuietSet Tower Fan combines power and versatility. With a sleek design that saves space, this fan can easily fit into any room without crowding the area. It features 8 customizable speed settings, ranging from a powerful cool breeze to a soft, gentle airflow, allowing you to tailor your cooling preferences. The fan also includes a remote control, providing the convenience of adjusting settings without needing to get up. Number 5. Buffy Comforter. The Buffy Cloud Comforter is celebrated for its unparalleled softness, providing a sleep experience that feels like being enveloped in a cloud. Designed with unique, breathable materials, this comforter ensures a restful night's sleep without excessive warmth, making it ideal for year-round comfort. Its ultra-soft, down alternative fill offers a plush feel that's gentle on the skin while remaining hypoallergenic, making it suitable for those with sensitive skin or allergies. Number 4. California Design Den Sheets. These sheets from California Design Den are an exceptional choice for anyone seeking quality, comfort, and affordability. Crafted from 100% cotton, they are breathable, smooth, and have a slight sheen that adds an elegant finish to your bedding. Available in 32 colors, these sheets allow you to find a perfect match for any bedroom decor, giving a touch of sophistication to any space. Their softness enhances sleep comfort, while the durable cotton weave ensures long-lasting quality, even after multiple washes. Known for being cool and comfortable, they make an excellent option for hot sleepers or anyone who values a refreshing sleep experience. Number 3. Beckham Hotel Collection Pillows. The Beckham Hotel Collection Pillows offer a premium sleep experience, providing plush support ideal for back, side, or stomach sleepers. Filled with a soft, down alternative material, these pillows mimic the luxurious feel of hotel bedding, delivering cloud-like comfort that contours gently to the head and neck. They are hypoallergenic, catering to individuals with allergies or sensitivities, and their high-quality construction ensures they retain their shape even after prolonged use. Number 2. Allswell Mattress. The Allswell Hybrid Mattress offers a unique blend of comfort and support by combining memory foam with individually wrapped coils, providing a balanced sleep surface that supports a range of sleep styles. Its foam layer adapts to the body's contours, reducing pressure points and ensuring proper spinal alignment, while the coil system enhances airflow, keeping you cool throughout the night. This mattress is both affordable and durable, making it a great choice for those seeking high-quality sleep without overspending. Number 1. Thuma Bed Frame. The Thuma Bed Frame stands out as a stylish and sturdy addition to any bedroom, featuring a minimalist design that enhances room aesthetics while ensuring lasting durability. Made from eco-friendly, repurposed wood, it combines both form and function, offering a natural finish that complements various decor styles. Assembly is straightforward, requiring no tools or excessive time, as it utilizes Japanese joinery techniques for a seamless fit. The bed frame sits low, creating a modern, grounded look, and is designed to be noise-free, providing an undisturbed sleep environment. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.